For ACUSports.com, I'm Grant Boone here with ACU's Director of Athletics, Jared Mosley, on a memorable day on the ACU campus. The announcement that in addition to the phenomenal new science facility that's being built, the north end of the campus is going to be transformed as well. A new football stadium, a new track stadium, a new soccer stadium. Jared, just speak to the significance of this day.
You know, it's hard to put into words. I mean, it's something that, from a facility standpoint, I think different groups of people on campus, you dream about being able to create and develop an atmosphere and an environment that's conducive for giving our students the best. And, you know, I'm excited. You know, a lot of our students are going to be coming in the future, science, pre-med, engineering, and so while we're excited about the football stadium, there's also an element in recruiting that these other facilities are going to help us a lot. And so it's just amazing to think about, though, the generosity of these families, and particularly the Anthonys, to make this stadium vision a reality for the young men and women that are going to be in our programs.
Take us back to the moment when you had a chance to tell Ken Collins, Casey Wilson, Keith Barnier, and others around the office about these remarkable new facilities.
You know, it's that part of it's fun, but trying to keep a lid on it is difficult. And so the last few weeks, as we've been excited and really anticipating this day, it's been, that part of it's been a challenge. But man, these coaches work so hard and pour in so much, and so do the young men and women in our programs, that to be able to announce something this significant is great. I mean, it's going to change the face of our program. I think it's going to create a lot of unique opportunities for the university, and it's just something we're so thankful for, and very humbled today to be able to be a part of this.
I think most of us understand the difference between renting versus owning. We've been at Shotwell Stadium for more than 50 years. Some of the great moments in ACU sports have happened on that field, but to have your own place in terms of football, to have a spanking new facility for track and field, and to be able to host groups when they come in, not just for football games, not just for ACU games, I guess. There are a wealth of opportunities, aren't there?
There's a lot of opportunity, and you know, that's one of the things we're really excited about is ACU, despite what some people might think we're in the middle of nowhere, it's in a great location when you're thinking about schools out in Midland, Odessa, El Paso, trying to fill non-conference schedules, and our ability to not only put on and create a unique game day environment now that we will have our own homes, great in and of itself, but to be able to have families from all over the state of Texas potentially sit down in our stadium and be on our campus is priceless. I mean, it's an exposure that we could not get any other way, and it's going to really give us and open up a lot of doors, I think, with families considering their college futures and looking to ACU as a possible choice.
As exciting as today is, in many ways your work is really just beginning over the next couple of months. Express to folks watching the critical need for others to come alongside the Anthonys.
Yes, and you know, that initial gift is always huge because it provides a lot of momentum, and it's a very significant step as we move forward. But really want to just challenge and engage our entire alumni base. We're not going to be able to do this. It's not going to be easy by any stretch of the imagination, but our goal is in the next 3 months to really get in front of as many people as we can, and to need help. We're going to need a lot of help from our alums and people who are already invested in our program to help open some doors for us, to share their excitement, to share the energy and the vision we have for the young men and women in our program. And so it's going to be a lot of work ahead, but God's been so faithful, and we trust He's going to continue to provide and put us in front of the right people at the right time. Can
you give us a timetable as to when the construction would begin, ideally, and when it could be completed, and when we'll have some games and competitions there?
That's all up in the air, as Dr. Schubert had mentioned, dependent upon us securing the additional funds needed. But as you look out on the landscape, I'm hopeful that we'll be able to start pushing some dirt with the track and soccer facility, hopefully some point this summer. And if we can get some momentum in securing the last part of the stadium, the football stadium piece, would love to be able to be in a position to start moving on it sometime in the fall, with a target of moving in by the fall of 2016.
Wow. It'll be here before we know it, won't it?
It will be. It's already gone by so fast, but we'll anxiously await.
Football will return to the ASU campus for the first time since World War II. We're talking about more than 70 years by the time that 2016 opening date rolls around. Big days as well, not just for soccer and for track and field and football, for the entire university. For Athletics Director Jared Mosley, I'm Grant Boone for ASUSports.com.